In this webinar, we're going to look at what it is that a meeting will actually look like. If we go to our particular meeting and restart this particular meeting, we will notice that we are starting our meeting. In this case, it is labeled me as the host, and it has asked for the different types of audio that I would like to use. I can use my computer for audio, or I can use a phone number to be able to call in. In this case, I'll call using my computer. As I'm connecting, it will allow for connected audio conference to be able to be initiated. I can then have the option of inviting or reminding others or sharing my desktop. Down here in the bottom right, you have the option of being able to do just a text chat in case there is no audio conferencing available. In this case, you can write ever what you want. In this case, it's just welcome to everybody that's coming in. Within this case, I can share my desktop, which allows everybody to be able to see my particular desktop. I can also record this aspect and show what's happening to other people later on. I can look at my meeting info, which tells me the different ideas and what is on the agenda as well. I can create a new whiteboard, which allows for creation of a new material. This will also be found in files later on. If I want to add text, it's simple. I can add text here. I can also change the particular color that I wanted, or just go ahead and play around with the different activities that are available here within. One of them might be just to highlight or circle, whatever it is that you'd like to do. Okay. Another idea that happens within here is that we can change our screen size and what's happening over here. I can decide that I don't want chat or I don't want people, and this allows my whiteboard to be much larger. Now let's say that I want to have still the idea that I can have all of these things being seen for everybody else. I can go ahead and I can check restore layout, which brings everything back up. I can also look at this in full screen, which then brings all of my tools that are available to me up to the top. This allows me to be able to again share my desktop. I can share files from my computer or my WebEx file. Let's say we want proposal 2. Go ahead and load this. Oh, it's not loadable at this time. I can also go ahead and share different applications that I am currently using. But maybe I don't want to lead this particular discussion anymore. I have the option up in the top of being able to assign a new presenter. In this case, I am the only one that's in this webinar, so therefore I am the only one that can host it. But if I wanted to make a presenter, I could see my other members here, and I could click and pass them control. Maybe I don't want to have them control the entire case, but maybe I want them to add collaborative material. I can pass them keyboard and mouse control, and therefore they take over control of my desktop. I can also allow them to be able to annotate or add alongside. In this case, I can also mute myself or unmute myself, depending upon what it is that I want. I can still again add text to say, this is what I think. These are just some of the functions and options that are available within our actual materials.